Good afternoon, students. In the previous class we did that one, find the square root in division method of decimal numbers. Today we are doing that one here, find the square root of 2. There is no root for 2. We are having the root of 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. But here for 2 it is not there. But we can find that one, the unknown roots also. Particularly this is the 2 is called irrational number, but we can find the root for this irrational number 2 also. How to find that one irrational number root 2 also? So for that we are following the division method. 2. What is the division method rules? The making of the pairs, but here no pair is forming, only one digit is there. So start with one digit only. 1 ones are reading of square table. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. So it is not possible, only one time write 1 ones are 1. Subtraction 1. Now double the quotient 2. Double the quotient. The quotient 1 will become as 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. We have to give the number of side of 2. So I am giving that number 2. But here it is not possible. So we are having decimal places also. Keep one digit. In divisions, keeping one digit of the point, it will give 1 0. But in divisions of the square root division method, in square root division method, we are getting that one for 1 point, we will get 2 zeros. 1 point will give 2 zeros for us. How many places we have to find means actually this root will not forms. How that it will become means see here 10 with 3 table 9. So 3 3s are 9. 1 again put a point 0 1 0 point will give only 1 0. 3 times 9 1 again point no need, already point 2 is given here. So like that we are writing here. This it will not close that ones. Always it is becoming that one like that, terminating and non-terminating ones. So it will not complete that ones. 10, 9 again each and every time is repeating. So like that it is not dependable and not closable that ones. So here also we are taking that one decimal point will give 2 zeros. So now 2. That side of 2 we have to give that number. I am giving that one 5, 5. 5 5 is 25, 125. It is becoming more. So take that only 4 times. 4 4. 4 2s 8. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8, 196. The nearest one is 4 times 4 4 96. Again subtract this one. Subtraction 4. It is not possible here to take that ones. So this 1.4 forget the point and do that one. 14 14 28. So double of quotient. Up to 2 digits we have to find. So 28. Now already decimal point is given here. That one decimal point will give us 2 zeros. Now this 28. Side of the 28 we have to give one number. So starting with 1 because the nearest one is that one. So taking one time that is 281. Taking off 2 times 2 8 2 2. 2 2 is 4. 8 2 is 16. 5. Which is becoming more. So take only that once. Only one time. That is 281. So no need of subtraction. Answer is 1.41. Only 2 digits is enough for us. So this is about the sum here to do that once. First one is find the square root of 2. 2 is the irrational number. We are not having that one here root. So for that we can also find the root for this square root by using the division method. So taking the 2. Here it is not forming a pair. Only 2 is the digit that ones. Take that one table. 1 ones are 1. So write that one subtraction 1. Decimal point. Taking of decimal point because we are finding that one root for irrational number also. By this method we can find that irrational number root also by taking a decimal point. Decimal point will give us 2 zeros. In the division it will give us only 1 0. But we are doing that one square root. So in squares it will give that one 2 digits. So 2 zeros. So 2 after the one double of the quotient is 2. For this 2 side we have to give that number. That is from 0 to 9. For multiplication we got that one 4. 4 4. 24 into 4 is 96. Subtraction is 4. Again take that one double of quotient. 14 14 28. Take the 28. Side of the 28 we have to give the number that is from 0 to 5. Giving that one 1. So 1 time is 281. Again 2 times is 564. Which is becoming more. So taking that one only one time, that is 281. So answer subtraction is, so no, therefore root of 2 is equal to 1.41. If they ask third digit, you again have to go. In this sum, they did not ask that one how many digits you have to find. That's why after decimal point only 2 digits or 1 digit, that is your wish. So always will be possible for taking as 2 digits after decimal point. Like this you have to find that one square root of division method for irrational numbers. So here is our next topic is cubes. What is called square? Multiplying the same number 2 times is called square. Cube means multiplying the same number 3 times is called cube. In the squares what we did? Minus 2 whole square. That means we repeated that one minus 2 into minus 2 2 times. Now cube means 3. So 2 power minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So cube means repetition of the same number, multiplying the same number 3 times is called cube. So cube root. Cube and cube root. Cube and cube root. We did that one in the previous exercise, that square and square root. First we did that one squares. What are called squares? Multiplying the same number 2 times is called square. And square root means taking off each 2 to same of the set of pair is called square root. We find that one. Square root we did in the 2 methods. First one is division method, another one is prime factor method. But cube root means we are having only one method, that is called prime factor method. Using prime factor method only we have to find that one cube root. There is no alternative method for cube root. Only one method, that is only prime factor method to find that one cube root. Cubes. Multiplying the same number 3 times is called cube. So let us do the sums according to this one, cube and cube roots. That is the next exercise. That exercise is exercise 3F. Now I am writing that one, exercise 3F sums. Okay, here is our next exercise, that is exercise 3E. In that one, first sum, find the cubes of. Here total 1 to 8 sums are given in this exercise, in this first Roman. We are doing only that one first sum and second sum here now. Afterwards we will do the remaining sums. The first sum is, I am taking that one. What is the first sum? 16. We have to find the cube of 16. Cube means power 3. That means we have to repeat that 16 3 times. 16 into 16 into 16. So multiplication. Already in that exercise, that one we did that one in the previous exercise, square of 16. 16 is 256. So with the 256 multiply that one 16. 256 into 16. Multiply. 6 6 are 36. 6 5 are 30 plus 3 33. 6 3 is 18, 19, 20, 21. With that one 6. 6, 5, 2. Add that ones 6, 9, 6, 4. So the square cube of 4, 6, 9, 6. So the cube of 16 is 4900. So now what we have to do here, cube. Cube means multiplying the same number 3 times is called cube. 16 power 3. 16 into 16 into 16. Multiplying the same number 3 times is called cube. So I multiply that 16 3 times. 16 16 is 256 into 16, that is 4696. So see this sum. I will do the next one. The next sum is here 30. Find the cube of 30. That means what you have to take that one 30. Multiplying the 30 3 times. Why you have to multiply 3 times? Because of cube. Cube indicates that one multiplying 3 times. So 30 we have to multiply 3 times. So that is 30 into 30 into 30. So first see this 16 sum, and 16 16 16 answer is 4696. Now we will do that one 30. Cube of 30. So here is cube. What we have to find here solution? Cube of 30. Cube of 30. Cube of 30 is 30 power 3. That means we have to repeat that 33 times. 30 into 30 into 30. We have to write that 33 times. We have to write that 33 times. 30 into 30 into 30. Now multiplication. First forget about 0 and write that one. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. That is 27 0 0 0. Where about this 0 came means here. 30 30 30. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 0 0 0. Now therefore the cube of 30 is, therefore 30 cube is equal to 27,000. The cube of 30 is equal to 27,000. So according to this one, the same sum, next one. Cube of 30 is completed here. See that one and write that one in your CW. Next sum. Okay, previously we did that one 30. Cube of 30, it is a natural number or you can take it as a number. But this is the number given here 0.7, which is a decimal number. For this decimal number, we have to find the cube root. So find the cube. Cube of 0.7. Cube of 0.7. Whatever it may be given for us, we have to write that one 3 times. Cube means multiplying the same number 3 times. So I want to find that one cube of 0.7. So that 0.7 I have to repeat 3 times. 0.7 into 0.7 into 0.7. Multiply that one. First forget about point and multiply. 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are 343. Check once it is correct or right. 49 into 7. 9 sevens are 63. 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 4, 3, 4. 343. Write that one first 343. Now we have to give the decimal numbers. 3 things we have multiplied 3 times. So first point after 1 digit is there. Second point after 1 digit. Third point after 1 digit. Total digits are 3. So from back to front we have to keep that one 3 digits after point. 1, 2, 3. Keep the point. So answer is the not 3.343. No number is not starting with point. So keep that one 0. Now the answer for 0.7 cube is 0.343. 7 into 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are 343. For 7, 1 digit, 1 digit, 1 digit. Total 3 digits. Back to front count that one and keep that one 3 digits after point 0.343. And the next sum is given with mixed fraction form 1 3 by 5. So this 1 3 by 5 we have to change into that one improper mixed fraction to improper fraction and we have to find the cube. So see that sum. So here is that one cube of 1 3 by 5 is the given sum. 1 3 by 5 is the given sum. Change that mixed fraction form to improper fraction. 5 ones are 5 plus 3 8. 8 by 5. Now this 8 by 5 we have to find the cube. 8 by 5 whole cube. Cube means multiplying the same number 3 times. But it is not the number, this is the fraction form 8 by 5. This 8 by 5 fraction we have to repeat 3 times. First time 8 by 5 into 8 by 5 into 8 by 5. 3 times you have to write that one 8 by 5, 8 by 5, 8 by 5. Multiplication 8 8s are 64, 64 8s are multiply. 64 8s, 8 4s are 32, 6 8s are 48 plus 1, 5 1 2. That is 512 by denominator is 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. The cube of 1 3 by 5 is 512 by 125, which is given in the form of fraction improper fraction. Change into that one mixed fraction form. Change to mixed fraction form. That is 512 divided with 125. So 125. 125 table. So 125 twos 250. 250 multiplication 125 into 4. 5 4s are 20. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. So 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. It is 500. So write that one 4 times 500. Answer is 412 by 125. 412 by 125. So that is the answer here. We have to write now. So cube of 1 3 by 5, that is 8 by 5. 8 by 5 into 8 by 5 into 8 by 5. 8 by 5 into 8 by 5 into 8 by 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 in the denominator. Numerator is having 8 into 8 into 8, 8 8s are 64, 64 8s are 512. Changing into the mixed fraction form, 412 by 125. The answer for this sum is 412 by 125. So with this, these sums are completed. You have to write that one, this ones. Next in the next class, we will do that one. Finding the cube root using the prime factor method in the next class we will do. So thank you for today. See that one sum and copy that once in your CW. This is 3 exercise, and in the second mid exam, first mid exam is there. You have to prepare for that one, first chapter and second chapter for examination. Thank you for today.